In this video, we're going to take you step by step through the installation of GAF Cobra Ridge Runner attic ventilation. To begin, determine the necessary ridge slot opening required. For roofs without a ridge board, cut a 1-inch opening along the ridge on each side. If your roof does have a ridge board, cut a 1 3/4 inch opening along each side of the ridge. Mark off and cut the slot opening. Be sure that the ends of the ridge slot opening stop at least 6 inches from any walls or rakes and at least 12 inches from the hip and ridge intersections or chimneys. Now, center the roll on the slot opening, then unroll across the ridge and trim at the opposite end. For easier handling, Cobra Ridge Runner includes the EasyTear feature, allowing you to hand tear the product in 12-inch increments. Nail in place using included 1 3/4 inch coil nails and nail along the prescribed nail line. Be sure to check out more GAF Pro Series installation videos. Good luck with your roofing project.